Yes, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be designing another wonderful PowerPoint presentation that is suitable mostly for schools with um, computer mode of teaching. So today what we need to do is to set our slide as usual to a blank layout, after which you come in with a rectangle drawn sideways just like you saw, and later you come in with a rounded rectangle drawn smaller as we see it. Then select all the rectangle, select all the objects, and go to format and do combine. Your merge shape, just do combine, after which you draw another rounded rectangle on the existing rounded rectangle like this, just as seen. Then change each of the color to your own preferred color. Just change the color to your taste. After we select all the um, shapes you just added color to, and send them to back. Then the first shape you inserted, change the color to your own preferred color. For me, I choose shade of gray. I choose a shade of gray. After which, on each of the rounded rectangle, come in with your text, however you want your text to be. Come with your text, format it, and do same to all the rounded colored rectangle. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember to also turn on the notification button so as to be the first to get notified whenever we drop a new slide to help your daily presentation. Alright, having done that, insert a blank slide, then rearrange it by taking the blank slide up and come in with your text, your opening text, format it to your desired shape, and this is what you get. Then come to the other slide, select every of the text, select the text and send them to back too. Send them to back. This is what you get. Then on the remaining side of the slide, you can come with another rectangle and set the color to the same with the first rectangle. Like this. Take out the shape outline. Then duplicate the slide. Then select the first rounded colored rectangle, move it to your right such that it goes under the newly introduced rectangle. and come in with your caption. Come in with your caption, format it, make it to your own taste. Now I like using area black, and this is what you will get. After which, do every other necessary formatting you would love to have on it, just so your slides can look so beautiful. Then click, select all the slide and add more transition, and this is your final result. Example of pronoun, and we have it to be them and the likes. Isn't this nice? Please do well to share and like us. Thank you.